If you've ever watched a video and heard, click that subscribe button for the millionth time, you're definitely not alone. It feels like every single creator does it. Big channels.
If you could do me a favor and double check if you're a subscriber to this channel, that would be tremendously appreciated. It's the
Small
simple,
ones.
it's the free thing.
आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लो।
Tutorials, vlogs, reactions. Everyone. So why is it really that important? Or just super annoying and frustrating and irritating? The harsh truth nobody tells you. Who benefits more? If we had to put percentages on it, based on how platforms work today, about 80 to 90% of the direct benefit goes to the channel owner, helping with algorithm signals, early views, monetization, and growth. The remaining 10 to 20%, that's for you the subscriber. Convenience, better personalization, and supporting creators you like, which often leads to more awesome videos. Yes, it can feel repetitive, pushy, boring, or waste of time, especially from massive channels. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Here's why creators do it. Reason number 1, it also helps the viewer. Yes, really, subscribing isn't just one-sided. For you as a viewer, you get notifications if you turn on the bell, so you never miss new videos from channels you love. Your subscriptions feed makes it easy to find and binge content from your favorites. It trains algorithm to recommend more similar videos you'll enjoy. And indirectly, more subs motivate creators to upload consistently and improve quality, meaning better content for you in the long run. Reason number 2, monetization milestones and survival. To join the money-making program and earn money from ads, creators need a minimum number of subscribers, let's say 1,000. For new or growing channels, hitting that 1,000 sub mark is a huge barrier. Every reminder helps chip away at it. Once monetized, higher subscriber counts also attract brand deals, unlock features like super thanks or memberships, and just make the channel more sustainable. It's often about turning a hobby into something that pays the bills. Reason number 3, early momentum from notifications. When a creator uploads a new video, the first few hours are crucial. Video is pushed to subscribers via the subscriptions feed and bell notifications. Even though most people don't have notifications turned on, the loyal ones who do can give the video a strong early boost in views and engagement, which signals the platform to recommend it wider. Reason number 4, it's still an engagement signal for the algorithm. Subscriptions, especially when someone subscribes right after watching, tell the algorithms this content is worth coming back to. It helps with recommendations a bit. Most views on established channels now come from recommendations and search, not the sub feed. Reason number 5, it actually works big time. Here's the simplest truth. Asking people to subscribe increases subscriptions. Creator experiments and data show that a clear, timely reminder can boost subscriptions by 20 to 50% or even double them in some cases. Viewers often enjoy a video, intend to subscribe, and then forget or move on. A quick nudge catches those people. So, bottom line, next time you hear, don't forget to subscribe, it indirectly means the video creator wants you to enable them to earn from the videos. But here's the real question. When should you actually hit subscribe? Simple. If you genuinely like the channel, and you think future videos from this channel would be tempting enough for you to watch, then go ahead. Subscribe. Otherwise, don't waste your time. Your subscription should mean something. Not just a number for someone else, but a promise to yourself that you'll actually watch and enjoy what comes next. So be selective. Subscribe to channels you truly care about, and you'll get a much better experience.